Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to another unboxing video from the Biker Crew UAE. I have here Scorpion's EXO 920 Shuttle modular helmet and I am dying to get it out of the box. So without any further delays, let's bring out our trusty knife. And here it is. But before we unveil this helmet, let's see what else is in the box, other than some packaging materials and the manual. Alright, so this manual seems to be kind of basic. So how about we look at this helmet? Scorpion EXO 920 Shuttle modular helmet. In 3, 2, 1. There it is. Now that is an impressive design. I do like the graphics on this helmet. So that's how it flips up. Internally mounted sunglasses, and it says Franzen design. Well, Franzen, you've done a good job. This helmet looks fantastic. There you have it, folks, the EXO 920 Shuttle from Scorpion. A big thank you to AM Sport Arabia for giving me this helmet to test out and review, and of course to Scorpion Helmets as well for creating this fantastic piece. As always, there will be a review of the EXO 920 Shuttle from Scorpion coming soon. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.